So hello, hi traders and investors. Again, we have given a trades on Bharat Dynamics stocks for intraday trades. Here the trade logics are: market open gap down almost 7% from its recent swing high. Then market taking a multiple time resistance from its previous gap up candles and not able to break its upper side resistance. So here the one supports are there: 1193. Market properly broken with a double top. Here after breakdown and retracement, entry have been trigger 1192. Now target first one is this swing of candle for intraday, and if break this level then market will be go for this level. Then first stocks I have given, all these trades I have given to our personal telegram channel. So if you are interested you can join. Here the trades logics, and the first one is the Bharat Dynamics and second trades were taken in the mile. And now come to mile charts and understand the logic of the trades. If you know the mile charts, and I have taken a trades of mile as per 1 hour time frame. The trade logic behind that is, here you see the charts of mile, and mile are taking multiple time supports of this trend line. After giving this green candle, market has rejection, and now entry has been triggered here in 302. A market currently trading as a 299 and low is 298. The 1 is to 2 risk reward have given in mile. Now if this multiple supports have been break 5 minutes, then more fall is accepted on this stocks. And now last and third stocks of my this personal telegram channel is, I have given a trades on coaching CPRs. Here the charts are there. Now come to charts, live charts, and understand what mile coaching CPR can do. If you see the coaching CPR chart, simple and normal price action I have given on this. The logic trade behind is that here is a one support of 498 and broken with head and shoulder pattern, an entry, and now target is almost hit as I have mentioned on charts before and earlier. So if you want to learn intraday stocks properly, you can follow me for more updates. Bye.